Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to use your Apple Watch Backtrack to retrace your steps on Apple Watch Ultra, Apple Watch SE, and Apple Watch Series 6 and later models running WatchOS 9 and newer. The Compass app's Backtrack feature can let you track your route and help you retrace your steps in case you get lost. For those unfamiliar, Backtrack uses the GPS on your Apple Watch to create a virtual breadcrumb trail of your route, so you don't have to worry about keeping track of where you are going. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Compass app on your Apple Watch. Then you have to tap the Backtrack button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to tap the record path to begin recording your route. And when you are ready to retrace your steps, tap the now highlighted Backtrack button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to tap the Retrace Steps option. The path back to the location where you first tapped the Backtrack button will appear on the screen, while the initial location appears as a white dot at the beginning of the path. Then you have to follow the path back to return to where you first turned on the Backtrack feature. And when you have arrived at your starting location, tap the Backtrack button again, and then you have to hit the Delete Path button, and that's about it. If you have an Apple Watch Ultra, you can start Backtrack with the Action button as well. Just go to the Settings app on your Apple Watch, and then you have to tap Action button. Then you have to hit Action. Then you have to choose Backtrack, and then you have to tap the chevron to return to the list of actions. Then you simply have to press the Action button to start Backtrack and hit the record path. You can press the Action and side buttons at the same time to switch between recording your path and retracing your steps. It's worth pointing out that Backtrack doesn't account for external conditions such as changes in elevation or objects in the environment. So keep this important thing in your mind, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily use Apple Watch Backtrack to retrace your steps. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.